Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl, Sherrell, Alicia, also known as Miss MMO. Today, I'm going to do a tutorial with the lovely Kalia from the Kalia Show, in case you didn't know. So today, I'm going to be installing a U-part unit from Sherrell Alicia Beauty today on her. This unit was constructed by hand with our Indian curly extensions. So, are you excited?
I am excited because I look a hot mess, so let's get it popping.
Let's get into it. The quickest way for you to do your own U-part install is to start by parting your hair directly down the center. So you should have two sections. And then you're going to need a perimeter braid for your unit. So for today, usually I'll do two braids down the front and then like one French braid in the back, but for today I'm just gonna do two perimeter braids, so that's one here and then two braids on the back. The leave out. Yeah, so I forgot this part. So you want to do your leave out. Once you find your middle part, you take it down into two sections. Then you're going to separate those two sections, find your leave out, section that off, and you can begin braiding from there. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I'm new to tutorial world, so I'm happy that you guys love my authenticity. Because you know that's what I got. So as long as I'm helping you guys, I'll keep on bringing the fire. Now I'm gonna put this in. It has these little combs here. And start with the middle one. Dropping it in the back. Two on the sides. Maybe I should turn these. I'm just doing the same thing around the perimeter. Put the combs in. I'll turn this way so you guys can see. And that is the purpose of the perimeter braids. So now you can see her wig's all on. And I'm going to do her leave out. Alright guys, there you have it. That's a quick tutorial on how to install your U-part unit using SAB Indian curly extensions. This is perfect for a girl who literally doesn't have a lot of time and she wants to look fab in a sec.
Thanks, Sherrell.
Welcome. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.